Ir beigusies darba diena un lielā.
The working day is over and the majority of Riga inhabitants are hurrying where to? Depends. Into 58 directions. So many neighborhoods Riga has. Each has its specific features that have the imprints of history of the city, the expectations, common cares, and at the beginning, it was technocratically analytical tool for us to have information, and then we understood that behind these names, each territories or neighborhood's history is hidden, and the experts indicated that we have to look at it wider. We have to see if certain communities can be organized, built, certain movements and trends, and that's why we started this neighborhood movement, and we started to use the neighborhood platform in a wider scope, in a wider sense. Every neighborhood of Riga has its own life cycle and daily routine, and many of these neighborhoods you can see lots of city urban noises, but there are some neighborhoods which are very cozy courtyards and also green, very green. Riga is developing because it occupied the territories which are around it from century to century up to 1979. The city borders are growing, and that is reflected also in the structure of the city today. Perhaps generations are different today, but if you walk along Āgenskalns or some other places in Riga, especially across the river Daugava, you can see that there's a specific community which has been encoded in there for centuries. I'm from the Āgenskalns neighborhood. I've been living from my childhood on this side of the river, Liga-Gaile. And I like Āgenskalns, and it's has so ancient old buildings, and 100 years ago the buildings looked pretty much the same like they do now. It's full of history. The neighborhoods in Riga are like conditions, like the stories of Rigans, both of old and young generations, and in cooperation with 2014, Riga, the neighborhood and the courtyard improvement development project is being implemented. The inhabitants actively participate. When this courtyard movement started, we accepted that happily, because Moskva Vorstadt, as we call it, the neighborhood or the region, the district, is a title in itself, and the people were very happy when came out and helped to organize things. And I think that people want to do things together, and you can wait until somebody, well, the authorities will give us, but that's not going to be what the population wants. And also the participation, involvement, and that was very captivating. That was very thrilling. And then you kind of feel a bit nostalgic. We used to have these events when we cleaned the vicinity neighborhood, and then we did it all together. But when you've done something for the sake of your neighborhood or the courtyard, then you've got a different attitude to it. Biša mūža, Anneņa mūža, Milgraus, those are neighborhoods. Mežciems, Baloži, Saulīši, Čiekurkalns neighborhood, the picturesque and beautiful names of histories of the districts of Riga invite us to open the unknown secrets, and we can also discover unknown Riga there. And certainly European cultural capital roadmap is going to be a very important tool to use to get to know more about Riga. We have different tools, instruments. We have also different materials, films, books, and also different other kinds of media. They will document and they will film Riga and Riga inhabitants where we are today. And then in 2014, now we will embrace, by that time, we will embrace also as many as possible neighborhoods and districts of Riga, not focusing simply in the same places. Living together and creating together, Riga will be able to develop as a city with many active centers, which will, each of them will be unique and have certain features. And in 2014, these will be like epicenters for interest education, cultural centers, and schools, and so on.
Labvakar, good evening. So everybody has equipment for Latvian language. Mīļie draugi, partneri.
Dear friends, dear partners, people from Riga, and also European Cultural Capital big family members. And we have all gathered here for the third international forum that we organize under the sign of Riga 2014. As we were counting, it is still 411 days till the beginning of the year of 2014. And that is much. It's a long time, but at the same time, it's not a big period of time. And we talked all of us together about one beautiful picture with a caption 2014, but this very beautiful picture consists of very many small components, and each component is very important. And today we're going to speak about specific 58 components or parts or neighborhoods of the city. They're all in Riga, and they're all very important. Today we're in one of such areas, neighborhoods, and I would like to give floor now also to our cooperation partner, Riga Economic and Business University College Rector Irina Sennikova.